Good morning, this is room service from Ras Hotel. May I speak Mr. Toya, please? Thank you, ma'am. May I take your breakfast order? We have a few suggestions for you today. It's American breakfast, egg, toast, bacon, and brew coffee. And the second option is Filipino breakfast, like garlic rice, tapa, longanisa, and fried egg, and coffee. Which one you prefer, ma'am? Great choice, ma'am. May I confirm your details? Room number 503, Miss. Ang name niyo po, Miss Retuya. One American breakfast mode of payment will be the charge to your room, or you will pay in cash or card coupon delivery. Noted, ma'am. Your breakfast will be delivered short. We ensure arrives within 10 minutes. Kindly expect 3 knocks of the service upon arrival. We set. Room service. Room service. Ano ito? This is American breakfast. Enjoy your meal, ma'am.
Thank you.